Mojo 2 is not normal. This tiny box made my $2,000 headphones cry. In HD audio. Let's face it, you're tired. Not just of life's chaos, but of your music sounding like it's been filtered through a soggy sponge. You've spent hundreds, maybe thousands, on top-tier headphones, subscribed to lossless streaming, and yet, something's missing. The dynamics fall flat. The bass? Meh. The sparkle? Dull. You tweak EQ settings like a mad scientist, but nothing really hits. You want to feel the emotion, the space, the soul, but you're stuck in a swamp of mediocre sound cards, bad DACs, and wimpy amps. And yeah, it's killing your vibe and your motivation. Now multiply that frustration by crushing deadlines, unrelenting noise pollution, and back-to-back Zoom calls that make your ears wish for retirement. You need music to center you, focus you, revive you, but your current gear is holding your senses hostage. You try to escape, but your audiophile setup sounds like an expensive joke. Burnout sets in. You miss subtle harmonies. You skip tracks you used to love. That magical moment when music hits just right? Gone. You start to question if it was ever real, or if your ears have given up too. Spoiler, they haven't. Your gear's just trashing the signal. Time to slap reality in the face with Mojo 2, the British-born audio beast in your pocket. This isn't just a DAC. It's a digital exorcist that banishes noise, flattens distortion, and resurrects your music with studio-grade clarity. With proprietary FPGA tech, Ultra HD lossless DSP EQ, and aircraft-grade aluminum swagger, Mojo 2 crushes every other portable DAC and amp in the game. It's compact, sleek, and has the muscle to power any headphone you throw at it. No hiss, no heat, no BS. Built in the UK, engineered like a tank, and winner of What Hi-Fi? Product of the year, it doesn't play around. But oh boy, it plays. Let's talk perks. Fully customizable EQ to tune your sound like a sonic fingerprint, transparent as glass audio output, zero lag, ultra-low noise, USB-C support, wireless ready with the polystreamer, and dual headphone jacks for sharing the magic. Mojo 2 turns boring office playlists into immersive soundscapes and late-night listens into spiritual awakenings. Whether you're a casual Spotify fiend or a hardcore FLAC freak, this thing will change how you hear forever. Want to dive deeper into what makes it tick? Scroll down, hit the link, and prep to geek out. But don't just sit there. Act now, because stock is limited and demand is wild. Audiophiles around the world are raving, forums are buzzing, and Mojo 2 is selling faster than vinyl in a midlife crisis. You've waited long enough. No risk, just sonic rewards. Don't settle for cheap converters or fake hi-fi. Level up. Go Mojo or go home. Hit that buy button, feel the chills down your spine, and join the thousands who finally hear music the way it was meant to be heard. This is your moment. Don't waste it.